What's up guys, it's your boy Gifty here, back into the game with another video, and it's been a while since I've made a video. I'm sorry. But today we're gonna have an exciting video because today we're doing a mail find unboxing. This package right here comes from Mark all the way from Germany. So thanks a lot Mark for sending me this package, and yeah, shout out to all of my German subscribers. You know what guys, I'm sure you guys are as curious as me to see what's inside the box, so let's go ahead and open it right now.
So let's get this open, bro. And we're in. Let's go ahead and take a look what's inside the box. So, oh man, whoa, oh yo. First we have the Chrome Cars Majorettes set. Oh look, check this out guys. Oh, I especially love that Aston Martin right there, and the Porsche that it has the same color as the Jaguar F-Type. And speaking of Jaguar F-Type, is the one beside the car. Man, yo guys, check this out. This is a cool looking set. Here's a close look at all the cars, man. The chrome on Majorette. Major, please bring this to Singapore, man, because currently this is exclusive to Germany. So yo, thanks a lot Mark for bringing me this set right here. This one looks really cool. Nice choice of cars, man. Next right up we have a car that's opened up and it's wrapped in tissue. Not sure what this is. Let's go ahead and open this right up, and it's a Ford Mustang. You guys know I love Mustangs. It's a Ford Mustang police car, and I'm not sure from what series this is. I've also never seen this before. Ford Mustang Boss, check this out, and of course suspension. I have the Porsche Panamera one, and I have the Ford Mustang, so I think they'll look nice together in my collection. Followed by the Mercedes AMG GT Glow in the Dark series. Yo, like, check this out. This is pretty sweet. I currently have the, I think it was the Dodge Charger, I think, in my collection only, but this Mercedes too, this thing looks cool. Definitely gonna have to review this. You guys have to check this out. If you guys haven't seen the glow-in-the-dark edition from Majorette, you will be surprised. They're actually better than you think they are in the package. Up next, we have the street car. I'm not sure what car this is. I can't really see the base. It's a Renault Clio Sport yellow right here. So that's interesting. Here is the look on the car. Nice yellow paint. Plastic front lights as per expected on Major cars and rear light tempos. Another car wrapped in tissue. A total mysteries. I love surprises, man. Inside this wrapped tissue is whoa. Okay, is this a Majorette? Oh no, this is a SIkus car. So for y'all SIkus fans, I know some of you guys have always wanted me to review more SIkus cars. Here is one for you. To be honest, I'm not sure from which year this is released from. I'm not sure, but this looks pretty cool, and I love how there's an antenna right here. Let's focus on that on top of the police car, and an opening rear trunk. I mean, right there. So police. And speaking of non-Majorette cars, we have a Matchbox car. Whoa, Lamborghini Diablo Matchbox car, yo. That's sick, man. Oh man, Matchbox, I know their Diablos are like really cool. And check out this black one right here. I'm not gonna open them up for now. I don't want to keep them in the card. Maybe if I review them, I will open them up. But for now, here's a look at this sick looking black Matchbox Lamborghini Diablo. Alright, next car we have right here is, whoa, what's this? Okay, I'm not gonna bother trying to read that. Maybe if you're from, this is German, y'all can read that. But this is a, okay, I'm not sure what this is. This looks like a Morris, right? Trabi Deluxe Trabant. It's from, Maisto. Whoa, Maisto, from which year was this released? No, looks pretty vintage, man. Or is it a custom card? I'm not sure. I have no idea what this is. I'm not gonna open it up until I know more information about this car. Oh, more glow-in-the-dark series cars. We have the Subaru WRX STI glow-in-the-dark wheels, and I think this looks pretty cool, especially with the white paint. It looks like it has snow tires. Maybe on some other cars, these are actually not really that fit. How to say, like, they're peg warmers here in Singapore. Maybe the wheels do look weird on some of these cars, but for this Subaru, since it's white, it looks like it has the snow tires, just like the Hot Wheels cars we get. And this is, I think, one of my more favorite cars, the Subaru right here. And another one of the glow-in-the-dark cars is the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. Oh wait, do I have this? Wait, I know I mentioned just now I have this, but I have a glow-in-the-dark car. I just can't remember what it is. Wait, let me look in the back. Oh, it's the Honda CRZ. Yes, not the Dodge Hellcat. I have the Honda CRZ in my collection, but not the Dodge Hellcat. So yo, check this out. I have the nice, cool-looking purple Dodge Challenger Hellcat with a glow-in-the-dark wheels. More Majorettes is the cool, oh yo, the VW Polo RWRC. Ah man, Marco actually asked me if I actually was looking for this car, and I was. Here in Singapore, I couldn't even find it. And as a guy, I'm actually a fan of rally cars. I played Dirt 4 and Rally Sport Challenge before. This is definitely a must-have. Check out the livery on this one. I'm not really a huge fan of Red Bull and their drinks. The livery on this one is top-notch, man. And yo, whoa, nani? The Volkswagen Rally Caper, also known as the Herbie, right? This is the Herbie Lovebug. Man, I love that movie. And now, I actually didn't even know this existed. I think Mark also brought this up, but I forgot. Yeah, like, oh yeah, to check this out. It's really nice. Up next is the Lamborghini Urus. Oh yeah, another one of the cars that he asked me if I wanted, and I gotta have this, man. It's a Lamborghini fan. I love Lamborghini. This thing looks sick, especially with the new Major wheels. I think it fits this car pretty nicely. So check out the details on this one. It even has a thing right there. I think Major has like those trailer things that you can tag along and whatnot. And here's the front with the plastic lights. Very nice details. Even has opening doors, right? I'm gonna have to check this out and open this when I open this up. Yeah, the Lamborghini Urus with a nice yellow paint. Alright, so yeah, I gotta take out the bubble wrap right here. Marco did a great job protecting these cars, but we have some more car. Whoa, wait, what? Okay, guys, I just realized that, do you guys see that white things over there? Those are cars. Those are not for packaging. Oh, these are all cars wrapped in tissue. Alright, I guess this video is gonna be longer than I expected. We better get through it. So the first tissue car we have right here, let's go ahead and unwrap this, is another, yeah, SIkus car. I realized the wheels is a, what do you call this? Oh, I can't see the name. Maybe it's one of these right here, but here is a SIkus car. And wait, this is the rear open? The rear looks like it's, oh yeah, the rear opens. Oh wow, another one right here. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. Is this a SIkus car too? Or Corgi car? This is a SIkus Carmen Ghia Cabrio. It's a Volkswagen Carmen Ghia, and I think a lot of you are familiar that Hot Wheels has made Carmen Ghia castings before, but it's a cabrio version, or a cabriolet version, and this looks pretty nice. I love the clean look on this one. Look, it turns out we actually have one more major car right here. Is the Mercedes AMG police car. Okay, another one that I didn't know existed. Man, Germany, y'all have some really cool majorettes going on right there. Look at this. I love the livery on this one. Is this the Germany police car livery? Please tell me in the comments below. I know I'm a scrub, but right now this is I'm not really sure at this point of time. So tissue cars, the tissue cars. We have another car right here. Is, oh, what's this? A Honda? Because there's a Honda right there. Whoa, a Honda. This is definitely a majorette. Honda Prelude. Alright, check this out. I mean, it's not completely mint, but I'm considering how old this is. This is made in Macau. Oh, it doesn't show where it's made, but there are some old major cars made in sorry, not Macau, France, right? Yeah, Prelude with opening doors. Yeah, it's the vintage cars that always have opening doors. Yeah, that's not bad. Another one right here is Majorette. This is Majorette. Is this SIkus? Okay, there's no brand on this one. Could this be a Matchbox cars? A Matchbox car, I mean. I'm not sure, but it has. Oh, it has suspension. Okay, sorry, let me focus on that. It has suspension and an opening front hood like that. That's cool. And nice green paint, orange interior, and the steering wheel is right there. That's pretty cute. Yeah, but I'm not sure what brand this is. Yeah, I think I'll have to ask Marco about this too. But this is a Fiat 2300S. Next up is this. Whoa. Okay, this is definitely a Matchbox cars. I've seen this car before. I forgot what it's called. Rollamatics 4WD Mustang Piston Popper. Wait, let me focus on that. Sorry, guys. Made in England. It's Lesney. What is this? Wait. Whoa, what? Oh yes, if you roll it on the floor, the piston moves up and down. Yo, I didn't even know Matchbox made this last time. So yeah, this is apparently what's called a piston popper. And not to mention, it's a cool looking car with nice blue paint. Nice. What's behind door number? I'm not sure what car we're at, but yo, these are a lot of cars we have. Ah, SIkus, yeah, I can tell from the wheels. This is a SIkus Mercedes Gullwing, is it? Mercedes-Benz 300 SL right here. And the Gullwing because the doors open up this way. And oh, classy. Nice blue paint. No real rider. I'm sorry, no rubber tires. I mean, people get offended from saying that if I call rubber tires real riders, but you get the idea. And oh, I think this part chipped off right here, this rear bumper. But for the most part, this car is mint. This 300 SL, not bad. Pretty cool looking classic car right here. The next Next, tissue wrapping. We have what I'm assuming is another Majorette car because of the base. I can tell from the base. I don't know, when you guys collect a lot of cars, you can tell from what brand most of the cars are. This is a Majorette. What's this? Toyota Runner with suspension too. I've never seen these wheels before from Majorette, so this is something new to me. And right here, metal on metal suspension, especially this, since this is an off-road vehicle, the suspension is much more springy on this one. So that's a nice touch right there. Yes, so here's the Toyota 4 Runner. And then we have another Morris. This looks like a Morris Mini. It's another Matchbox car, Mini haha, made in England. And there's something right there. What is that dude doing right there? I'm not sure what these are. Mini haha. It doesn't have suspension. It's metal on metal, and there's a figurine inside the car. Now I'm very intrigued. What is that thing right there? So far we've been getting a lot of interesting stuff, but what's next? Next we have another Majorette. Definitely Majorette, made in France. There you go, as a Volkswagen Golf something. Yeah, it didn't say what. Is it a Mark II? Okay, did I offend some Golf fans right there? I'm not sure. Please tell me in the comments below. Or better, check this out. Golf with a rear opening hatch right there. It just has the vintage feel to it. So yeah, here's the Volkswagen Golf with, oh, tinted yellow windows. That's not something you see every day. Next one right here. Let's open this right up. Is a SIkus car. Is this a SIkus car? Yeah, I guess it right. It's a SIkus car. Smart Roadster Coupe. Okay, this is definitely a car I've never seen before. Oh, those wheels, it looks very similar to the ones you get from the Hot Wheels Highway 35, right? Yeah, so check this out. Smart Roadster Coupe. Something I've never seen before, but this looks very interesting. Right up in the next tissue is whoa, what's this? Is this an ambulance or a sports car? It's like a combination of both. Is it a Majorette? Corgi. Healer wheeler. Alright, Corgi. That's not something I have a lot in my collection. Next tissue paper, we have Matchbox. Could this be a Matchbox? Matchbox, there you go. Pontiac Firebird. Okay, this is a sick looking Firebird. First of all, it has a really good weight to it, mainly because it's metal on metal. The wheels, I don't know, it looks like they roll smoothly. I'm not sure. It's like from the Fast Wheel series. Yeah, it does roll quite smooth, but yo, sick looking Pontiac Firebird with like a sick white body on it. Like, I love how the fender's like popping out. Yeah, check this out. Nice blue paint on this one too. Damn. Down to the last 4 cars. Next we have Majorette. Yeah, I can tell it's Majorette because of the base finishing. It's a Majorette Fiat 127 in this nice lime green color. And oh yo, Mr. Doggy is right there. I love cars with like small Easter eggs like this, and it has opening doors too. Car, no sports decals, no fun or real light tempos, but not bad. The suspension and opening doors for a kid looks pretty cool, and not to mention the doggy right there. Woof, woof. Next up we have, let me guess, is it a SIkus car? I'm guessing it's a SIkus car. Yeah, I think it's a SIkus car. I see the wheels. It's a Mini Cooper. Whoa, what? Okay, SIkus. I think out of all the SIkus cars we've gotten, this might be my favorite. No, this does not come off, but from what it is, this is not bad. And it's in a pretty mint condition too, considering how old this casting is. For the second last car, we have another Majorette. Corgi. Looks like a Corgi. Yeah, the wheels. Oh, another ambulance. Wait, let's get the other ambulance right there. So I'm not sure Corgi likes to make ambulance back then. I don't know, but this looks more like the Cadillac right from the Ghostbusters movie. And it also has suspension. Oh, apparently Corgi also has suspensions on their cars. But yeah, here's the Corgi ambulance. Well, actually there's 2 more cars right here. So once again, the second last car. Is this a SIkus car? SIkus. Whoa, another police car. Damn, another, what's this? Volkswagen Amarok TDI. Whoa, this is a fierce looking pickup truck right here, man. And oh, it has opening doors right there. Wait, let me focus on that. Police it has a siren on top, front and rear light details. Man, SIkus, your cars are pretty cool. If only SIkus made more exotic cars or muscle cars, I'll definitely collect their brands. Because so far all the SIkus we've gotten are more of the casual type cars, right? I'm not saying that that's bad, but if that's your type of thing, then SIkus is definitely the way to go. And last but not least, we have another car right here. It's Majorette. Yes, it's a Majorette. Yeah, oh, it's a Matchbox car. Yeah, oh yeah, the wheels. Matchbox, what do you call this? Ford Courier, yeah, from 1981. Milka. Oh yeah, Milka is the brand, right? This is by Cadbury too. Alpine milk chocolate, front and rear light tempos. Oh man, vintage cars. And here are all of the cars. These are a lot of cars, a lot of Majorette and SIkus, and some corgi cars right here. So yo, Marco, once again, if you're watching this video, of course you will, thank you so much for the cars. I greatly appreciate it. Some of the ones that I really like was the Volkswagen Polo RWRC, the Herbie car, the Subaru glow in the dark wheels, and the vintage cars like this Matchbox Lamborghini right here, and some of the Majorette and SIkus cars, like for example this one, the pizza car, this one, and the police Majorette Police right here. That's also really sick. And this Matchbox Pontiac Firebird, man. I mean, these are all great, but those are just some of the most notable one. And how can we forget the chrome car set? This thing is sick, man. I'm gonna take a good care of these cars right here. So yeah, check this out once again, guys. Here's a brief overview. Check that out.
And that concludes for today's mail find unboxing. One last time, a huge thanks goes to Marco for sending me these cars right here. So yeah, anyways, that's it guys for today's video. I hope this video makes up for the lack of videos I've been not posting for this past few weeks, or past 2 weeks I think. So yeah, do forgive me. I'll be sure to get back on track these next few days. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.